Today, I'm going to speak about universal healthcare. The currently employed healthcare system in the United States is commonly being criticized for its inefficiency. At the same time, the question is usually asked if there are alternatives to this system. There are several alternatives that could help eradicate most of the inefficiencies, but one very good option is universal healthcare, which is also known as single-payer system. In an article written by Amadeo and Barry Johnson titled Universal Healthcare in Different Countries, Pros and Cons, they point out that universal healthcare is about providing healthcare services to all citizens. This means that all people have access to equal care, which is one of the main issues plaguing the modern healthcare system in the United States. It's employed in some form in almost all industrialized countries of the world. However, that is not the only reason for believing the United States should have it as well. Universal healthcare should be implemented in the United States because it would help address health disparities. As I previously mentioned, everyone would be provided with access to care. In fact, it would mean that the country would protect one of the fundamental human rights, the right to care regardless of one's status. Despite changes brought about to our current system under the Affordable Care Act, there are a great many uninsured people who still do not have access to care. Universal health care could help make our system as a whole more efficient. Even though it's claimed that the pressure on the system would increase, just like waiting time in real life, it would help reduce the pressure on the system by eliminating all the paperwork related to dealing with the insurance companies within our current system. All in all, implementing this healthcare system is a way to improve healthcare outcomes of the entire country. In other words, it might help address some of the most severe health concerns and death causes as all people would receive timely care. Thank you.